अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज ही मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए पैराग्राफ लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है फैशन पर। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। नो डाउट इट इज़ द एज ऑफ फैशन। द फैसिनेशन with fashion is particularly very strong in our cities. Adults as well as teenagers now fully well the strong importance of fashion. The craze to look smart and up to date is coming even stronger. The garment industry, attractive advertising, and films are mainly responsible for this craze. The TV commercials and the press have also affected and captured the imagination of the people. Pakistanis working abroad have poured in a lot of money in recent years. Shopping plazas and markets have sprung up everywhere. Foreign designs and elegant dressmaking are very much in demand. Fabrics, footwear, fast food, furniture, and video films have become fashions of the day. The glitter of advertisements make everything look gold. However, we should be on our guard because all that glitters may not be gold in some cases. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।